How to scan QR code on your laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's really simple. Let's dive right in. Just make sure that you have downloaded the QR code on your laptop. Then open up your Google Chrome and then you can see search bar. Just go to the camera like icon. This is the Google Lens. Once you tap on it, you can see upload a file. Click on that. Your file explorer will open up and then you need to tap on the QR code that you want to scan and then hit open and then it will scan. Now you can see website option, tap on it and it will redirect you to the website of the QR code. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.